If you're looking for a cheap cut of beef that's budget friendly, easy to make, and so delicious, today I'll be showing you how to make cow's kidney, and the recipe is very simple with minimal ingredients, and the outcome is just mouth watering. So cow's kidney have a strong smell, and I'm going to be showing you how you can do away with the smell and have a delicious beef kidney recipe. So if you don't know how beef kidneys usually look like, this is how they look like, and this is half a kg of beef kidneys ready for cooking. So I'm going to pick up my beef kidneys. You can see it's a huge one because it's beef. And then I'm going to pick my knife and cut in half. So I'm going to use a sharp knife and cut in the middle. Just like that. And this is how the cow's kidney looks like on the inside. So I'm going to remove the fat inside the kidney. So using my sharp knife, I'm going to go in and cut out all the fat. You can see that is a lot of fat. So once you're done removing the fat, this is how the kidneys are going to look like. So I'm going to chop into pieces. When done, I'm going to transfer to a bowl and squeeze in juice of a whole lemon. So I have my lemon squeeze over here, and I've already cut my lemon in half. So I'm going to squeeze in the lemon juice. The lemon is going to get rid of the toxins in the kidney. If you have buttermilk also, you can add in half a cup of buttermilk and let it sit for around 10 minutes to 15 minutes before cooking. After 15 minutes, I'm going to wash my kidneys until clean. This is to get rid of the lemon or the buttermilk. And then next, you're going to place a pan over medium flame, add in some cooking oil and your kidney. Then you're going to cook your liver for around 3 to 5 minutes while using your wooden spatula to flip the kidney so that it can cook on all sides. This is a small recipe for about 2 to 3 people. You can double up the amount of ingredients, which are very simple, and make for your entire family. After 8 minutes, this is how my kidneys are looking, and they are cooked through. So I'm going to transfer to a plate. Delish. And then in the same pan, I'm going to add in some more cooking oil so that I can fry my onions. Add in a teaspoon of cooking oil because I've fried my kidneys in cooking oil. Then I'm going to cook the onions and garlic for around a minute until the onions are soft and the garlic is fragrant. Once the onions are ready, I'm going to add in my tomato paste, 2 seasoning cubes and chili flakes, some ground ginger and black pepper. Crush the seasoning cubes and stir everything together. Add in a splash of water. This is going to help the tomatoes to cook through. Once the tomatoes are cooked through, you're going to add back your kidneys. Toss in. This is looking incredibly delicious at this point. So because I added in 2 seasoning cubes, my kidneys are going to be well seasoned. If you don't have the seasoning cubes, you can simply add in some salt. But because the seasoning cubes contain salt, I'm not going to be adding in any more salt. So I'm going to add a splash of water. You're going to simmer the kidneys on low for around 5 minutes so that they can absorb all the good and nice flavors. You're going to add in your capsicum. You can add in red capsicum, green capsicum. Today I'm going to be adding in some red capsicum. Let this cook for around a minute, and then I'm going to garnish with some coriander leaves. Toss everything together. Put out the flames, and the kidneys are ready. You can see how delicious they look. After garnishing my kidneys, they are ready to serve. So I'm going to be having mine with some rice. You can as well serve the kidneys over some mashed potatoes or even with ugali, and it's going to be mwah, so delicious. So the kidneys are soft, cooked to perfection, and full of flavor. And this is a very nice way to sneak in some protein, or rather some cheap protein to your meals or to your family's dinner or lunch, and everyone will surely enjoy. So catch you on my next episode. Bye.